Good morning, everybody, and this is your Bitcoin review for today. So, we broke through the 30,000 area yesterday. We're back above it already. Now, as I pointed out yesterday, we are in a pretty tight bear channel at the moment. We have what looks like a flat bottom triangle forming at the moment. But there's one thing that I was looking at yesterday. I just want to come to the weekly chart here. And I think what we need to do is let's just delete all the noise. Okay. First thing on the weekly, look at my oscillators. They are grouping in an area where I want to be buying. Okay. The second thing is they're coming off a moving average. And then the third thing, which is probably the most important thing with specifically with cryptos, because structure is so important. We're not quite at the 61.8, but we are fairly close. So if I put that level in there and we come back to our daily chart, have a look at the Fibonacci levels that we're flirting with. You can see the 50% Fibonacci was support and is now resistance. So we do have this 27,300. For me, that does look like the opportunity of some of the buyers are waiting for this pullback onto this level and probably looking for a daily pattern around here. But what I'm seeing at the moment, pin bar, inside bar forming today. It's not finished yet, but definitely something is brewing. Look at the 4 hour. Pin bar, and acceleration to the upside. Trend is still down. Let's not beat around the bush there. We need to start taking out these highs here, and then the moving averages need to cross over. So still quite a bit of work to do from the 4 hour before we start seeing an opportunity to buy. But for me at the moment, this is starting to show signs of life, and it is looking, it's looking for a level. It's looking for a level to bounce off. And looking at all the oscillators at the moment across all the higher time frames, it is warning us at the moment we should be looking for an opportunity because something is about to happen. So that's kind of my view at the moment. Still sit on the sidelines. We do have this channel. You're probably well worth just keeping that channel drawn in as well, because that's going to give you, in fact, just use the trend line just like that. You start breaking that trend line and start building a base on it. That's your first warning signs that there is potential move to the upside. I think we're still a long way off it, but any move down to 27,300 is definitely going to interest me for some kind of buying opportunity and start scaling. So I am looking to buy this. There's no two ways about it. I'm also looking to buy Ether, but just waiting for the right setup before getting stuck into it. And looking at what we have at the moment, the volatility is tightening up. It is starting to look fairly interesting. Okay, that's it for me. We'll be back tomorrow. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.